Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x00000190 that says something happened at our end, waiting a bit might help. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in WS Reset, best match, come back with WS Reset, go ahead and open that up. And then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem for you guys at this point. Something else we could try here as well. If you open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt, right click on it, and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this command prompt window, type in SFC, then a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. So hopefully I was able to resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.